A lot of my patients clench and grind their teeth, most often at nighttime while they're sleeping. This is called bruxism, and it can cause a number of issues ranging from excessive wear of the teeth to pain in the jaw to even loss of the vertical dimension of your face. When we see evidence of this, usually manifesting itself as wear on the teeth or pain in the morning when the patient wakes up, we usually recommend some type of night guard. Not only can it prevent wear on the teeth and protect them, but it can even deprogram your jaw into making that reflex less often and less intense. Night guards in people who show evidence of bruxism are an important tool, and at Surprise Smiles, it's definitely a service that we provide.